Tavleen, I need to start taking last comments and yeah, more obituary references there. Are we going to know the truth? Are we ever
Um,
going to know the truth?
Well, you see, in the first wave, what was clear was that many people were not dying. There was a very low mortality rate. You can't hide deaths to the extent that they would like to, because there are people queuing up at crematoriums and graveyards, etc. But the point that I want to make really is that it's too serious a matter to think in terms of long-term data, etc. What we need to do is make those accountable who've brought us to this pass, replace them, sack them, get a new team together who is going to not let us down, because actually we cannot afford to continue in the way that this that this pandemic has been handled. From day one, there's been misinformation. Okay, first we blamed the Muslims, then we blamed somebody else, then it was the farmers. No, it's enough. We have to blame the state, because we pay taxes for the state to build for us hospitals and healthcare facilities that can deal with this. And these big bureaucrats who've been irresponsible and who are now saying it's the arrogance. Paul, this man who's in the Niti Aayog, who was in charge of vaccination. Why did India order only 11 million doses of vaccination from July and America 600 million? For a population of 300 million, because America knew that vaccination was the way forward. Till the other day, we had the Prime Minister saying vaccination was not important, that we were going to test and treat and all this rubbish. So, really, from the top, the Prime Minister is never going to admit that he's made a mistake, but let him get his team together and let them go, and let's get a new team and really take it seriously.